Hi friends, guess what? I want to tell you something super cool I found. When I was making a silly brain rot video with my characters, I noticed the pictures didn't fit the screen. Uh-oh, I didn't want to make all 26 characters again. That would take forever. So, I tried using AI to fix the empty spaces in my pictures, and you know what? It worked. It gave me awesome choices and I picked the ones I liked the best. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something awesome and super easy today.